a trip in our favorite red ship, going through the road. Silverado. Climb aboard, get ready to explore. This is Hernio. Whoa, got my boy in the right passenger seat. His name is Eddie. And he wears glasses.
He drives a slow dart.
We're on a road trip going to Salinas from Fresno, picking up some parts for the G again. So got something super exciting. Got a little project gonna be putting on together. When I get everything, I'm gonna wrap it up. Hopefully the audio is catching my voice. It's super windy, but it feels so good out here. It's like 67 degrees right now versus like what, 112 in Fresno today. Or
My balls are shrinking. That's how cold it is.
temperature dropped like 4 degrees out here, so that feels really good. Trying the hardest to make that thing quiet. Hello, hopefully you guys are having a good day so far. It is the following day of prior to picking up the parts for the conversion setup. So this is how the car is looking so far. Honestly, you can see that nothing is really matching up. Got gaps everywhere. Got a big gap right here where the fender and the side skirt meet. This needs to go in. Dang, focus. This needs to go in a little bit more. Is what I'm seeing. What else? Wheel gap. It's not working out back here for sure. But so far it's coming out pretty solid. Tell me what you guys think. That's the front end. Maybe, may or may not run a bumper. Who knows? But we'll see. What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a good day, and hopefully you're enjoying the process of like what's to come. Nearly done. One more side to mock up. The right side of the car is all finished. In addition to, I have gotten the headlights working also. Don't have them in right now because they are drying up right now. I had to super glue one of my bulbs in. Because when I bought the headlights, it didn't come with the gear or the stuff for it to hold. Like if you can see this bracket right here, this one, it wasn't attached to the headlight, or it didn't come with the headlight, and that's on both sides. So the hardware that's holding the bulb didn't come with it, but that's okay. What I did is I put silicone and then Gorilla Glue in there, and it seems to be holding. It's only temporary. To be honest, these are kind of just test headlights, just to get everything mocked up and kind of situated with the car until I decide on, you know, a different set of headlights that I want to go with. Currently have both fenders cut. This is the OG fender. This is a 350Z fender. The reason I split them up like this is because it would have been extra work for me to get this curve, or to like make up my own type of curve right here. So best bet, I thought, you know, I'll just cut this fender off. I'll cut also the 350Z fender, and then I'm gonna run over to a buddy's shop of mine, and he's gonna do the welding for me. So he's gonna take care of that part because one, I don't do welding, and I figured this would be the cleanest way. Everything's coming out smooth. I'm gonna be cutting up this side next. So if you're seeing on the other side, literally from here down has been taken away. This is the biggest thing I've ever done to this car, other than taking out the motor and doing all that. Oh, we're good. But other than taking out the motor and doing all that crazy stuff, this by far has been probably the biggest projects I've done. But overall, it's for the love of the build, right? But yeah, let's get to it. I'll get through the cutting process so you guys can see the time lapse of that. And yeah, let's go. unidentified days and counting and time frame. I know for sure it's just week 2, but here we are again. Driver's side all mocked up and ready to get welded. Even just gonna try to sand off or buffer off those little spots right there. But here we are in the front again. Went ahead and cut out the frame of the headlights that go on with the stock G35 headlights. Those are taken care of, so now I just gotta mock up brackets and stuff for 350Z headlight to fit in here. Let me get this stood up for you real quick and show you what we're working with. So what I did for the headlight is I made a bracket right here. I don't have another one of these, so I'm gonna have to go get something from Home Depot or something just for, you know, to extend it out and then kind of get the same at least length in that area. What's it called? Fender is bolting up to the headlight pretty smoothly. Over here in the front, I had to bend this bracket that I found in my garage. So luckily, thankfully, I have a second one. So I'm gonna do the same thing that I did right here to the driver's side. Other than that, wiring for the headlights is done. Unfortunately, it looks like a mess right now because one, it's not OEM. 2, I don't have those cups that supposed to block the headlight, so I kind of just stuffed everything in there and just zip tied it. That's sure just right now until I get better headlights down the road, or if I can at least find a little piece that covers this so it doesn't look like all messy and crazy. But other than that, looking super awesome. And then another thing I gotta work on is this hinge. This needs to be extended a bit out more. So I do need to get longer bolts, and also to find a spacer that comes out more. Other than that, we're almost done. Almost done, ready for welding. And as soon as welding's done, plan is to kind of just smooth it out. That way I'm able to start the wrap process. I don't know yet. Don't know what color. Kind of excited. Other than that, yeah. So we're gonna wait a little bit. For you, it'll be like a second. For me, probably days and hours. So see you guys in a bit. G50Z, kind of almost done. Had a battle with the hood latch moments ago. Kind of tough to get it to settle in, but finally got it down. I had to extend it with just some random stuff I had at home. Went and bought some bolts over AutoZone. So far it's fitting pretty smooth. Other than that, I need to go over to my buddy's shop to get this welded. That way we can do some major body work. But other than that, I'm enjoying it. Has some flaws, definitely. Not entirely done, like I said, but with how everything went, from kind of cutting up fenders, kind of jimmy rigging everything for the headlights to fit, and my hood latch for it to close, nearly done. Next up is trying to source out a front bumper and then getting that to fit. Gotta find something. So yeah, because it looks a little short in the front now. I think with the G35 front end too, or as well, even with that, missing a bumper, it still looked almost short. I gotta do some comparison pictures. But here is a side view. Oh my gosh, I gotta take care of that fender line right there. But yeah, it's looking pretty smooth, almost done. But hopefully you guys enjoy this video, enjoy the process. I have a little more stuff to upload after I mock up the bodywork. I'll do the bodywork in a different video, because this is going to take some time. I'm not too far from home, so this is going to be fine, thankfully. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this process. It's not really something that's common, you know, per se, that you would see on a few of this kind of builds, but you know, trying to do something different, have fun with it. This has been a 2-year project that I always wanted to tackle down and get towards and, you know, accomplish. And I would say I'm almost done. Not entirely done, but yeah, full color change is gonna happen also. I'm not too sure what color I'm going to be going with, but hopefully in the next video that I upload with bodywork and other stuff, that it will be a different color. But hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. You guys have a good day, or a good week, good month. I don't know. I'm just super stoked. Finally done. It's super hot. I'm sweating bullets. But yeah. Bye.